Hey everybody, this is C-Cat or Crystal Cat 73, depending on how I go on my socials. And today I'm going to be doing a 3D puzzle. And I've been trying to figure out these instructions, but it's like basically Marie from Aristocrats. I got this as a Christmas gift. And it's my understanding, like this is one that I did before. I don't know if you can see that. And I think this one was like 1 through like whatever. But that one was a little bit of a nightmare to put together. But again, that was a gift too. What I understand is like, so piece 1 is going to be 20. The piece 2 is going to be 7. Which I don't understand because it's like, why wouldn't you just go in order? Because all they're mixed in the bag anyway. And it says make sure to have all your pieces. I don't know why they would just go 1 through whatever. But that's not how they were doing it. So anyway, I did separate them by 10. So this is like, what do you call it, like, you know, the 20 box or whatever. So now I have to find, like, 20 to 19 box. So now I have to, like, find the stupid piece for this. So I think this is, yeah, this is 20. So 20 goes down here. And not very well, but it goes down here. Like I said, I don't understand, like, why they just didn't do, like, 1 through whatever. Because you still have to go sort through the thing and put it together. You know what I mean? So let's see if I can stick it on there. It's not sticking on there very well. And it says do not force pieces. So I might just skip this piece altogether. Let's see. I'll just do that later. Is it gonna stick on there? Okay, good. Now it's gonna stick. So, and the next piece is 7. So 20 there. So I have 1 through 7 here. So, and the one thing too that I'm having kind of issues with is, I don't know how to explain it, that like pieces, like sometimes I can't tell if it looks like a 1 or if it looks like a 7. I think this is 7. So yeah, this looks like 7. So that's what it says. 7. So I'm guessing this is 7. So it looks like it fits there. Okay, got it. Got it. And then 35. So this is the 31. So now we have to look for 35. Like I said, like I said, it's like if I would have known I had to go through this, I would have, like, because I was standing there trying to figure out what these numbers meant or whatever. And that, but it's like, yeah. And I think it's 35. Let's see. Yeah, it's 35. So I guess like this. And there is a little hole where you're supposed to permanently stick it together or whatever. I still might, like, I don't know, if I would have had glue, I would have done that. But again, it's like, if you have to take it apart together and put it back together, you know. There, okay, there. Got it. And then piece 4 is 30. So this 30. Yeah, that's 30. Like I said, and if you have vision problems, I would not recommend this because it's like I was having like really issues like understanding like how to put this together because it's like the pieces are like so the numbers are so poorly hard to see, if that makes any sense. So it's like if you have vision issues, I would not recommend this game, just this puzzle, just because like of that, you know. Is that it? I mean, I'm not the most visually impaired person, but at the same time, I'm not blind neither, you know. And maybe have to mark off the pieces, like if you or put a mark by them too. So I think I'll do that too. 3, and then 4. See, so 30. And this is 30. So like this? No. Because once you get it figured out, I mean, it's like it's not bad. I mean, it's still annoying, but not as bad. Maybe this. I think this is how it goes. That doesn't make any sense, though. And maybe like this? No. Daisy's all like seeing that I'm getting frustrated, so she's kind of looking at me like, oh, it's like, why are you upset, Mom? And it's like, because this puzzle doesn't... Maybe this piece. Okay, yeah, I got it. Okay. But again, it's like, it doesn't really, you know, I need my puzzle paper, please. So, 4. And then 5 is 34. So, I'll find 34. Hopefully, at least we're staying in the 30s. Please don't knock over my puzzle. I will be very mad. Let's see, 32. 33. Okay, 34. So 34, I don't know if you can see it right here, is like a foot. So I'm guessing like this, maybe? Okay, I got it. Now that I'm figuring it out, it's not so bad. But it's just kind of having to go through and all, like, see all these pieces and see where you're at. And then number 6 is 11. I might have to put you in another room. Let's see, and I think... See, I think this is, let's see, just 11 one. That's a 1 through 10. This is the 1 through, like the 11 through 19. Hey, no. That's 12. So we'll put all the pieces that we're going through just in there for right now, like in that separate container. Let's see, and this is... I think this is 11. That's 14. I think I found 11. Okay. So. $11 seems pretty, maybe easy to put together. And again, it's like it's not wanting to really click together neither. So that's kind of annoying too. There, I got it. Okay. And I might save the number because I did call the company on my phone and it just kind of said this is like really hard to understand how to put together. So we got 11. That was step 6. So the next one is 15. Unfortunately, that's in the same box, so this is 15. So I think it's like it goes up here. I bet you anything that's where it goes. So it looks kind of like, yep, got that. So we'll mark that off. Going down there. 15. So the next one is 26. Let's see, I think. Okay, that's here. So we can find 26. I'm guessing that's the top piece. $29, $24, $23. I think this is 26 right here. Let me double check. Yeah, I think this is 26. Like I said, it's like it's really hard to like with this. It's like to understand kind of. Because like sometimes it's like the number like yeah, this is 20. I think this is 26. Because sometimes the numbers like it's like sometimes I don't know how to explain it. It's like the way they have it set up. It's like the 26 almost kind of looks like a 28, and then 24. So that's at least they're sticking into the 20s. And I did just see 24. And this is I think that's 27. This is 24. Because the numbers are kind of like, I don't want to say melty, but kind of. So. Let's look at that one. No. I would make sure this is 24, double check. Okay, so okay, I think I got it. Okay, 24. And I might take like the little, cause I have like over here, and they're like a little stick. I might just take that when I'm away from it and stick it in there, just to kind of keep them in place, in case somebody tries to knock it over. So, got 24. Next piece is 42, and that's like the least amount one, if that makes any sense. So we'll put this back in here. Put that over there. And the 42, no. I'm gonna, you know what? You are gonna go be put away pretty soon. It's like if you don't like stop getting in the way. Okay, 42. So that was easy. That was one of the bigger pieces. I don't know if they're doing this by size or if they're doing this by, they call it like shape. So step 11 is number 3, and I do have 1, 2, 3 here. So I did try to let's go through this a little bit before, and I couldn't figure out like why the pieces weren't fit together, and they're like, oh, you have to like look at the stupid numbers. 3. Okay, that was easy enough to find. So 3 or 3. Like this. There we go. 3. So let's put that one over there. We've got number 3. And then 18. So that would be, let's see, this is 18. Yep, this is an 11 through 19 box. So we'll go through these and look at the numbers. That's 12. I can tell that from just looking at it. This is 19. 13. 18. This looks like 18. So maybe like that. Or like this. Make sure that's 18. I think, there, got it. 18. So we got 18, step 12, then 19. And I just saw 19, so 19. Here's 19. So I'm guessing 19 probably goes here. Yep, right there. So we got that one. And at least they're being consistent, like with like, I don't know how to explain it. Keeping the pieces like, you know, 2 at a time with the same number count. But now we have to find number 6. So that might be 6 or that might be 9. Let's see. That's 5. 10. And that's 4. Okay, this is 6. And it does have a little teeny tiny line on it, but like barely, where you can barely see it. So I'm guessing this one probably goes right here. Yep. Kind of, say, maybe like this. Okay, no. Okay, so make sure that it's 6. So this is kind of an ad, but it's just playing music, so I'm just gonna let it go. So, no. Okay, I got it. There. Figured out.
Shop your new mattress your way at Ashley.
Okay, and the next one is step 15, and that's 33, and that's over here. So we'll put that over there. Do this. That's what I've been trying to do, is like just kind of go through it and see, like, you know. Okay, 33. Wow, I found it right away. Cool. So, right here, I think. Is it? Okay. I'm guessing maybe. No, it may be right there. Flip it over, maybe. So I'm guessing. I'm thinking. It goes like this. I'm guessing. Yep. Let's see. Yep, like that. So there must be a piece that goes down in there. So we got 33, and now the next one is 10. So and we're kind of getting low on these pieces, so 5, 2. Okay, 10. So this one right here. Again, and these things are not staying together that well. It's like, it says not to force it, but at the same time, they're not really, like, you know, consistently staying together neither. It's like you kind of have to, like, make sure that's right. 16 is step 10. So maybe like this. Okay, got it. So we got step 16, that's piece 10, so we'll put these back in there and put them over there. And then 17 is 29, so I think that's over here. Yep. So okay, I think about 29. So that kind of fits, I think. Let's see. Okay, like that. So I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. Like, it's kind of a mess, but 29. And then 18. Like, step 18 is, or no, yeah, step 18 is piece 14. So let's see. Okay, we might have to go back to separating these. Let's see. 5. I accidentally put a 20 in here, so okay. Let's just put that over the side. So let's see. So it's 5. Let's go there. And let's see, 29. These are 20, so I got to put them back in the container. So we'll back in there. Now we'll find piece, what was it we were looking for? 14. Okay, 14. It looks like we're getting kind of low on these numbers. So I'm guessing it's like we're getting towards the end for these numbers. 14. And then back to the 20s, so that's 41. So 25. These look like 30s. So I'll put those over there. And these are the ones. So 25. Found it exactly. See, was it 25? Yeah, it was 25. Okay. So I'm guessing maybe like this, because it's like a teeny tiny piece, but maybe it's like this. Make sure it's 25. Yep. Step 19 is piece 25. So I might like take the stick thing and just put it in there, just because it's like they're starting to kind of move a little bit. And usually I wouldn't recommend doing that, but that's my solution to keep this from like kind of like coming apart. Make sure it's right. It says 25. It says 25. And I might like finish this up later and show you guys the end results, because it's getting into that time where it's like it's starting to I don't know how to explain. So get to that time where it's starting to get like kind of too like much time, if that makes any sense. So I think I'm gonna like kind of finish this up later, because like I said, it's getting into 30 minutes, and just kind of show the end results, whatever, or maybe do a part 2. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, we're gonna end it for now. You guys rock glitter socks, and thanks for watching. So I might just do a part 2 for this. So thanks for watching.